Welcome to Nursery Kids Diaries.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hello friends, this is our new series,
Nursery Kids Diaries and our Phonics friends.
And our friends of the day are Artist A and Baby A. They might look different, but they make the same sound.
The A says ah, the A says ah. Every letter makes the sound. The A says ah.
Let's learn to write A. Start from the top, come down and stop. Back to the top, down, come, keep going down, and then stop. Line through the middle. Line through the middle. A.
Start from the dot, go round, and stop. Come down and make a loop. Ah!
The A says
Ah!
The A says ah. Now let's see what A is up to. Look at Artist A with his friend Anna are on a aeroplane.
Anna and Artist A are at the airport in America. They are planning a picnic in America. But first, they are at the fruit shop to buy some fruit. Anna and Artist A are at the fruit shop to buy some fruit. They are buying some apples. I'm wondering if these apples are for their mystery dessert at the picnic.
What do I smell? Looks like the mystery dessert was an apple pie. Did you guys notice there's an axe on the ground? Ooh, and I see so many ants. I think they're looking at the apple pie. Same is the case with the alligator. It's staring at the apple pie. I think our friends should eat it quickly because I think the alligator and the ants are coming to get it. So, let them eat or stare at their apple pie, and we'll meet up in the next video with a new phonics friend. Okay, Artist A and Anna, we're gonna go now. Enjoy your apple pie, and we'll meet up in the next video.